Hello, my future-proofing friends. On a prior video, I showed you how to remove the recycle bin from your desktop by going into Settings, Personalization, Themes. But when you do, things accumulate up in there and it's easy to forget about it. So that's why Microsoft moved it to the desktop in the first place. And when you remove it, it's on you to make sure you empty recycle bin every once in a while. So how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to find it, but when we do find it, we're going to be putting it on our quick links here so that we can right-click it and empty recycle bin directly from there. As an added bonus, I'll also pin it to the start menu, but in my opinion, it's a lot more useful over here. So how do we do that? For now, we'll get rid of that and we'll just focus on finding it. So like everything else, you just click on the start menu. Look how clean and pristine that is. Isn't that nice? You don't need a search little, magnifying glass icon. You just click that and you start typing, such as recycle bin, right? So at first we think there must be some options if we right click on it, but there are none. Device history, it's in your device history. So we open it, right? So that's the only choice we're given, open it. And you see there is a lot of stuff in there, right? So we could, empty it from here. There's going to be a way to do it. But more importantly, whenever you have a Windows path in a file explorer, you have the ability to pick that thing up and just drag it into quick links. Now be careful not to drop it inside of a location. To avoid that, you can drop it directly on top of the word quick links and it'll just add it to the bottom of the list. Now, I will take that risk of requiring precision because that's not where I actually want it. I like it at the top. So as long as you do it very carefully, you can reorder them, right? So now I could right click it here and empty recycle bin. And notice there's pin to start. We'll do that in a moment, but we'll empty the recycle bin. Now there's still a few showing here, but that's just a weird artifact of Windows with file locks and stuff. So if we go out of that and then we Windows key E again, you can see the recycle bin is now on your quick links that come up. So it's really easy to get into anytime you want it. It's just Windows E, start to type recycle, and you can go into it, confirm it's empty. And now also we have that, remember it's not here on the start. There's just a few things that mostly reflect what I have up here, not precisely, but it's close. We don't even need that Ubuntu. We're never going to go into that again. So unpin from start. And now you can have the stuff here reflect here, except you can't change the icons as you can, but you can put them in the same order, right? So all this helps muscle memory, You got them here, you got them here, they reflect each other, but that's not the point of this video. The point is recycle bin, pin to start. And now you've got your recycle bin here as well. And that should be small. Resize to small, because why would you have all those noisy words here when you don't have to? The same thought as not having the labels on the taskbar. All right, and so that's it. That's the video. You got your recycle bin back, and you can empty it every once in a while. Thanks, and join me again as we move on to some more interesting Linux container stuff.